Kaspersky Small Office Security, hereafter ksos2, is a software package aiming to provide small organizations with protection against viruses, network and hacker attacks, spam, and other unwanted information. ksos2 is a suite of products designed to protect Windows workstations and Windows servers of your network. You need Kaspersky Small Office Security if your organization has up to 10 PCs and these computers are networked. You do not have any non-Windows computers in the network. You do not have a dedicated IT person in your organization, and you do not want to centrally manage antivirus protection. You have a file server on your network, but you do not have a mail or proxy server on your network. You do not want to centrally protect smartphones. You are not planning to extend your business by additional PCs in the near future. Depending on the size of your network, Kaspersky Small Office Security, as a flexible solution, can provide licenses for the following sets of computers: 5 workstations, 5 workstations and 1 server, 10 workstations and 1 server. Let's see how the protection is built to protect Windows workstations and servers of your network and what components it includes. Protection for Windows workstations is built with the sources of threats in mind. In other words, each threat is dealt with by a separate application component that monitors it and takes the necessary actions to prevent malicious impact of that source on the user's data. This makes setup flexible with easy configuration options for all components, which can be tailored to the needs of a specific user or the business as a whole. The protection includes protection components that provide defense that covers all channels of data transmission and exchange on your computer in real-time mode. Virus scan tasks, with which the computer or separate files, folders, disks, or areas are scanned for viruses. Update, that ensures the up-to-date status of the internal application modules. Safe Run, which allows to run suspicious programs in the virtual environment without the risk of infecting the computer. Network Control allows the administrator to remotely monitor organization security, scan for viruses, update inter-application modules, as well as databases of malicious programs on the networked computers. Web Policies Management allows you to set flexible restrictions on access to web resources and applications for a specific user. Tools, which allow you to provide secure storage and encryption of data, access restriction to them, creating backup copies of the data, and solve specific tasks to provide computer security. Protection for Windows file servers protects data stored on Windows file servers, including the latest x64 versions, from all types of malicious programs. The solution maintains high reliability and meets the exacting demands of corporate servers that carry heavy loads. The protection includes protection components, file antivirus, firewall, IDS, network monitor, which monitors the computer's file system in real-time mode. Virus scan tasks, which are used to scan the entire computer or separate files, folders, drives, and areas for viruses. Update, ensuring the up-to-date status of the internal application modules and the databases used to scan for malicious programs. Support features provide information support for working with the application and expanding its capabilities. Tools, which allow you to provide secure storage and encryption of data, access restriction to them, creating backup copies of the data, and solve specific tasks to provide computer security. Network Control allows the administrator to remotely monitor organization security, scan for viruses, update inter-application modules, as well as databases of malicious programs on the networked computers.